Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It feels great to be here again.
Yes, it really does. How are you today, David?
I'm feeling good, thank you. I had a nice lunch earlier, so I'm full and happy.
That's perfect, because today's topic is all about food.
Food? Oh, I love food.
Me too. And today we're going to practice English for ordering food at a restaurant.
That's a very useful topic. Everyone goes to restaurants, and sometimes it feels difficult to order in English.
Exactly. But don't worry, we will make it simple and natural.
Great. So where do we start?
Let's start with entering the restaurant. Imagine you walk in, the waiter says, "Hello, how many people?"
Okay, so I can answer 2 people, please.
Perfect. Very simple. 2 people, please.
And if I'm alone, I can say just 1, please.
Exactly. Easy sentences.
I like that.
Good. Now, the waiter shows you to a table and gives you the menu. What do you say?
I can say thank you.
Perfect. Always polite. Thank you.
Then I look at the menu.
Yes. And if you need time, you can say, "Can I have a few minutes, please?"
That's useful. Can I have a few minutes, please?
Exactly. Very natural.
Okay, now I'm ready to order.
Good. Let's role play. I'll be the waiter, and you order.
Okay.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
Perfect. "I would like" is polite and natural.
Yes, it feels good.
And if you want to drink, you can say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Okay, can I have a coffee, please?
Excellent. That's very common.
I like this. It feels easy.
Good. Now let's add more. Sometimes you want to ask about the food.
Oh, yes, like, what is in this dish?
Exactly. You can say, "What's in the pasta?" Or, "Does this have meat?"
That's helpful.
Yes. And if you don't want something, you can say, "Without onions, please."
Oh, that's perfect. I don't like onions.
Then you can say, "I would like a burger without onions, please."
That's natural.
Exactly. Now let's role play.
Okay,
Hello, are you ready to order?
yes, I would like a burger without onions, please. And can I have a lemonade?
Perfect. That was clear and polite.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See? It's not difficult.
Yes, I feel confident.
Good. Now let's talk about special requests.
Like what?
For example, "Can I have extra cheese?" Or, "Can I have the sauce on the side?"
Oh, that's useful. Can I have extra cheese, please?
Perfect.
And can I have the sauce on the side, please?
Excellent. Very natural.
I like this.
Good. Now let's talk about ordering for other people.
Oh, yes. Sometimes I order for my friend.
Exactly. You can say, "She would like a salad," or "He would like a pizza."
That's easy. She would like a salad.
Perfect.
And he would like a pizza.
Excellent.
This is fun.
Yes, and it's very useful. Now let's talk about asking for recommendations.
Oh, that's important. Sometimes I don't know what to order.
Exactly. You can say, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend? That's simple.
Yes. Or, "What's popular here?"
What's popular here? Perfect.
Good. Now let's role play again.
Okay.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Not yet. What do you recommend?
I recommend the grilled fish. It's very popular.
Okay, I would like the grilled fish, please.
Perfect. That was natural.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is great. I feel like I can order food in English now.
Yes, and we're just getting started.
Really? What's next?
Next, let's talk about drinks and desserts.
Ooh, my favorite part.
Yes. So if you want water, you can say, "Can I have some water, please?"
Easy. "Can I have some water, please?"
Perfect. And if you want dessert, you can say, "Can I see the dessert menu, please?"
That's useful. Can I see the dessert menu, please?
Exactly. Then you can order, I would like ice cream.
I would like ice cream. Perfect.
Yes, and you can add flavors. I would like chocolate ice cream.
I would like chocolate ice cream. Excellent.
I like this.
Good. Now let's talk about paying the bill.
Oh, yes, that's important.
You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I have the bill, please? Easy.
Perfect. Or, "Can I pay by card?"
Can I pay by card? That's useful.
Exactly. And if you want to split the bill, you can say, "Can we split the bill?"
Can we split the bill?
Perfect. Now, let's role play again.
Okay,
Hello, here's your food.
thank you. Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
By card, please.
Perfect. That was natural.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is very helpful.
Yes, and it's all about simple sentences.
I agree.
Good. In the next part, we will practice longer conversations and more natural expressions.
I can't wait. Jessica, in the first part, we practiced ordering food, drinks, and asking for the bill.
Yes, and that gave us the basics. Now, let's make the conversation longer and more natural, like a real restaurant experience.
That sounds exciting. Sometimes I feel nervous in restaurants, but with practice, it can feel easy.
Exactly. Let's imagine the whole story. You and I go to a restaurant together.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Okay, we walk in. The waiter smiles and says, "Hello, how many people?"
I answer, 2 people, please.
Good. Then the waiter shows us to a table. We sit down.
I look at the menu. Wow, there are so many choices.
Yes. And I say, "I think I want pasta. What about you?"
I'm thinking about a burger, but I'm not sure.
Perfect. That's natural conversation. We talk about the menu before ordering.
Yes, it feels real.
Exactly. Now the waiter comes back. "Are you ready to order?"
I say, yes, I would like a burger with odd and onions, please.
And I say, "I would like pasta with tomato sauce, please."
Perfect. Then I add, can I have a lemonade?
And I say, "Can I have some water, please?"
That feels natural.
Yes, and polite. Always say please.
I agree.
Now the waiter asks, "Would you like any starters?"
Oh, yes, I can say, can I have a salad to start, please?
Perfect. And I say, "Can I have soup, please?"
Excellent. That's a full order.
Yes. And then the waiter repeats the order to check.
That's helpful.
Exactly. Now, while we wait, we can talk.
So, Jessica, do you like eating out?
Yes, I do. I enjoy trying new food.
Me too. I love tasting different flavors.
Perfect. That's natural small talk.
Yes, it feels real.
Exactly. Now the food arrives. The waiter says, "Here is your salad and soup."
I say, thank you very much.
And I say, "Thank you."
Then I taste the salad. This is delicious.
And I taste the soup. "Oh, this is very good."
Perfect. That's natural.
Yes. And if something is wrong, you can politely say, "Excuse me, this is cold. Can you warm it up, please?"
That's useful.
Exactly. Always polite.
I like that.
Good. Now the main dishes arrive. The waiter says, "Here is your burger and pasta."
I say, thank you. Then I taste the burger. Wow, this is amazing.
And I taste the pasta. Very tasty.
Perfect.
Yes, and if you need something, you can ask, "Can I have some ketchup, please?"
Can I have a spoon, please?
Excellent. Very natural.
I feel confident.
Good. Now let's talk about dessert.
Oh, yes, my favorite part.
Me too. So the waiter asks, "Would you like dessert?"
I say, yes. Can I see the dessert menu, please?
Perfect. Then we look at the menu.
I want chocolate cake.
I want ice cream.
Perfect. Then we order, I would like chocolate cake, please.
I would like vanilla ice cream, please.
Excellent.
Yes, and after dessert, we ask for the bill.
Can I have the bill, please?
Perfect. Then the waiter brings the bill.
I say, can I pay by card?
And I say, can we split the bill?
Perfect. That's natural.
Yes, and then we say, thank you. The food was delicious.
That's polite.
Exactly. Always end with kindness.
I agree.
Good. Now let's practice a longer role play.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll be the waiter and you be the customer.
Perfect.
Hello? How many people?
Just one, please.
This way, please. Here is the menu.
Thank you. Can I have a few minutes, please?
Of course.
Okay, I'm ready. I would like grilled chicken, please.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, can I have orange juice, please?
Perfect. Would you like any starters?
Yes, can I have a salad, please?
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here is your salad.
Thank you very much.
And here is your grilled chicken and orange juice.
Thank you. Can I have some ketchup, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, can I see the dessert menu, please?
Here it is.
I would like chocolate ice cream, please.
Perfect. Here's your dessert.
Thank you. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
By card, please.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The food was delicious.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Perfect. That was a full restaurant conversation.
Yes, it felt real.
Exactly. And that's the goal, to make English natural.
I agree.
Good. Now let's review.
Okay.
Step 1, enter the restaurant, say how many people.
Step 2, look at the menu. Ask for time if needed.
Step 3, order food and drinks politely.
Step 4, make special requests.
Step 5, order starters, main dishes, and dessert.
Step 6, ask for the bill.
Step 7, pay politely and thank the staff.
Perfect. That's the full routine.
Yes, and it's all simple sentences.
I feel confident now.
That's wonderful. And we hope our listeners feel confident too.
Yes, everyone listening, you can do this. Practice these sentences and you will feel natural in restaurants.
Exactly. Even a small step is progress.
And every word you say is a victory.
Beautifully said, David.
Thank you, Jessica. And thank you to our listeners.
Yes, we are proud of you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
That's the secret. Ordering food in English with confidence.
Perfect ending. Until next time, goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you soon.